This tutorial is designed to teach you how to cite and manage your research sources. Most library databases allow you to create accounts to manage your sources and provide assistance with formatting citations in many of the standard style formats, such as MLA and APA. For this tutorial, we will use Academic Search Complete, an EBSCOhost database, to demonstrate how this works. Similar methods will work for other database providers. You will learn how to create an account, save articles to a folder, and generate a works cited list of articles that you've found in an EBSCOhost database. You will then learn a few favorite shortcuts to help you make a works cited list in Microsoft Word. Properly citing your sources is an essential part of the college writing and research process. The Citing Sources link on the library homepage will help you to find printed citation manuals, links to the many different style formats on the Purdue OWL website, and many local citation resources designed for SHIP students. Remember, the textbook that you used in your WIFIS class also includes useful citation information. This is Academic Search Complete, an EBSCOhost database used by many students at Shippensburg University. We are going to learn how to create an EBSCOhost account. To get started, we'll click the Sign In link at the top of the screen. This is the Sign In page. Click the Create a New Account link. When you create your own free account, you'll need to fill out this form with your personal information and select Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Please use your SHIP email address and username. This account will work the entire time you're at Shippensburg, so you will always be able to go back and reread articles you've found previously. The hardest part of this process is picking a secure password. Try using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, while avoiding recognizable words. All three password strength bars need to turn green. Please be sure to sign in every time you use an EBSCOhost database. If you don't, you'll lose any articles that you try to save. Now that we've signed in, we can do some searching. Let's do a search on the topic Child Nutrition. Since we're signed in, we can save articles from the search results by clicking the blue folder icon to the right of the article title, or when viewing individual results by clicking the Add to Folder icon. Click the folder link at the top of the screen to view what's in your folder. Here we see the articles that we've saved in our folder. Your professors may want you to use specific citation styles to cite your sources in a paper or speech. Always use the citation style your professor has directed you to use. While you are responsible for citing your sources properly, the database can help you get started. Click the small checkbox next to the words Select, Deselect All. This highlights all the articles in the folder. Now click the Save as File button on the right-hand side of the screen. Now we can select our citation format. Let's say your professor wants you to use APA format. Choose APA from the drop-down menu. Then click the yellow Save button. Navigate to the References or Works Cited section that appears farther down the page. You can copy and paste this list of citations or references into a Word document and get the citation list ready to submit to your professor. Having pasted the citations into our Word document, we will need to double-check the citations and correct the formatting. EBSCOhost has helped us start citing these articles, but it doesn't always get it perfectly correct. Citations will often be out of alphabetical order, or words that should be in lowercase will be capitalized. Always check for inaccuracies. Your professors may take off points for incorrect citations, so always make sure that they are accurate. First, let's alphabetize the list. Word has a handy button to sort items alphabetically. Select all the citations, making sure not to include the header. Then click the Sort button to sort by paragraph. Then click OK. Next, let's center the References or Works Cited header. Select the header text, then click the center icon in the Paragraph section of the Home toolbar. Next, let's change the line spacing to double-spaced. Simply click the line and paragraphs spacing icon and choose 2.0. Finally, you will want to fix capitalization problems. EBSCO often gets this wrong for authors and titles. For example, APA requires that article titles should only have the first word of the title and subtitle capitalized. This is called sentence case. Highlight the title that you want to fix, then click the Change Case icon in the Fonts section of the toolbar. Choose Sentence Case. Microsoft Word will often underline other words that need to be fixed. Typically, you can right-click on these terms and select the correct formatting from the list provided. Some style formats will have additional requirements, such as particular fonts and font sizes. Please be sure to consult your style guidelines and any specific instructions from your professor. If you have any questions about managing sources or creating citations, please contact a librarian. We will be happy to help.